All right, this is the final version of the rocket stove. Almost boiling water here, right? It takes a while. The problem is it's just too small, right? This is 2.5 inch or 2 1/4, 2.5 inch diameter. I'll measure it. And also I don't get enough draft, so I drilled a couple holes here. That helped a bit. You can hear the rocket sound. And that should be a lot more constant. I should get a good flame coming out of here. You can look in here. You can see the, see if I can grab the flame. There's a flame. Should be a lot better. You can blow lightly here, and that'll increase the flame. So it tells me there's not enough draft. Not enough draft. This is too small. Even for a little stick like this, this is too small. Right. So you need a bigger opening so you can feed the stuff in. So basically, overall, everything has to be bigger, right? Just to get it to work right. Almost boiling water. What I was using was, as you can see around here, these are all wood chips from my jointer. I was testing my jointer, had a bunch of wood chips. They worked really good in there. I was also using my knife to sort of fray the wood. That helped a lot too. But the problem is it's not big enough to get a good feed going, not enough air flowing through. It just needs everything needs to be bigger, right? So 2.5 inch, probably 3, this is 3 inch, at least 3 inch, maybe even 4 inch, right? Everything has to be bigger. Just some final thoughts on a rocket stove. I don't think I'd recommend one, and there's a number of reasons. One is it's quite large. Right? This is small. You need a little bit bigger than that. It's all metal, so it's heavy. So you can't take this backpacking or anything. You can take it car camping. You know, if you're taking it car camping, you're going to have a campfire or whatever, and you can burn, you can cook just as well from there. The other thing, it gets really hot. It's all metal, so you'll find out like the handle is so hot, you can't touch it, you can't touch anything. Even after the fire is gone, you got to wait for this thing to cool down. It's an awkward size. I don't really, it's sort of novelty, but would I recommend one? No, there's a lot of other camping stoves or camping things you can make that are better than this. All right, thanks a lot.